Hey guys, Rock here, Island Pond, Vermont. Today I got a 2014 Can-Am Outlander Max 650 XT. Pretty good shape. Oh, really nice shape. It's got 5,700 miles, I believe. Take a little walk around and we'll go for a test ride. Very nice machine. It's got the rear storage box, 6-ply tires. These machines get a real nice, huge storage box in here that's integrated with the machine. But it's also got this big box here. That's an add-on. Got a little headlight on it. So that's the machine. Let's try her out. All right, turn the key switch on there, then we got a power button here, the electric starter. Hers starts right up, sounds great. V-twin this one. You got a gate style shifter with park, reverse, neutral, high and low, which works real nice. So this one has power steering, so it's very easy, and this is actually on the low setting. If you hold this gray button in over here, you can see it switch DPS medium, which means it'll, it's a little more power steering, and max. That's the max. So that's gonna be the least requirement from you for input. It's super easy. I kind of like lower medium, but to each is their own. Full drive switch right here. Let's go try her out. This 650 V-twin is a very smooth, powerful engine. This thing is super quiet. The loudest thing on it is this damn box back here. It kind of jiggles, but there's not much I can do about that. Well, I could, but that's alright. But this is a super smooth ride. This is a very big, heavy machine, though, for sure. Got true 2-up. It's got the real nice passenger seat. All kinds of get up and go on this thing. See what I mean? That thing's pretty annoying back there. Oh. This got the nice hand guard, so your wind stays away, or bugs, or whatever might catch your arm. Now I've had a 500. So for the Can-Ams, I've had the 500 V-twin. I've had this. This is a 650 V-twin. I've had the 800 and the 1000. I've not had the 850 yet. Soon enough, probably. So as far as power-wise, the 500, it's got enough power to do what you want, but it's definitely lacking. It doesn't feel like you're on a high horsepower machine. It's got great mid-range and top end. It's probably one of the fastest 500s there is, but it's lacking the bottom end grunt, where this 650 has not as much as the 800, but it has very good bottom end power. Very impressed with it. And yeah, so when you come up to a section like this, just throw it in low range, and then it's in 2-wheel drive. We should be able to make it up, but if not, we'll flip her right in 4-wheel. No, she's gonna want to spin, so we'll put her in 4-wheel. and then all four wheels will lock up as you need them. So these new Can-Ams, they engage real quick. The four-wheel drive system, I don't have any complaints. The older ones used to have to spin the tire almost 2-3 times to be able to lock another tire up, and by then you're already stuck. So this thing just loves to crawl right along. Super smooth engine. The 650 is very quiet, and you know it wants to crawl along. I mean, or go fast. It's probably, I don't know. I mean, I love the 1000. The power of that thing is just crazy. But as far as for a trail machine, this machine just seems super reliable. You know, it doesn't make any bad noises. It doesn't get hot. That's one thing I noticed with the 650. It stays very cool compared to the 1000 or even the 800. I've never had a problem with the 800, but the 1000 definitely got a little warm on me when I was slowly trail riding. If you're going quick, you don't have any problems because you're getting all kinds of cool air in there. But so we're gonna go back down. We'll see if we can get a top speed run on this. I'm not sure. I know the 1000, it's limited at maybe 76 miles an hour, somewhere in there. Just get off so you can check it out again. This 2-up seat, if you're gonna ride 2-up, this thing is amazing. And it pops off real quick, just like that, even with the back bag on. Without the back bag, it's super quick. The only problem with that bag, it kind of gets in the way of putting it on, but it's still not too bad. There, just gotta figure it out. But real comfortable. I mean, it's perfect. You sink in here, you're above the first person, the driver, just enough to where you can see stuff, but you're not overly high so you're banging your head off branches. Some nice handholds here. And actually this box has got kind of an armrest built right into it, so that's also nice. All these Can-Ams, they come with a black high-speed key or full power key, and then they got a gray key like this one, and that's your slow speed. I think it's limited to around 35 miles an hour. If you had your kids on here or something, or somebody you didn't really trust too much. But this thing's been taken care of very well. Oh yeah, I forgot how to run this thing. So about 525 hours. That's your tack. 5,700 miles, and it runs great. Oil changes, that's all. Air filter, just maintenance. The guy I bought it from, he bought it brand new, and he hasn't had any issues. The first time he took it out, he hit, with the tires, which these come with nice, I think they're Carlisle tires, stock, and they're pretty nice tires, but I don't know if they're 4-ply or what they are, but he got a stick right through the tire the first time he was riding it. So he went out and said, the heck with that, bought these ITP Terracross 6-ply tires, didn't want any more flats. So that's what's on here, and they're holding up great. They still got good tread, not cracked, weather cracked at all. So one nice thing about these Can-Ams, I didn't put it in a low range to come down that, but they have an awesome engine braking. This is I'm in high range right now, and I will use no brakes, and it just slows right down. I mean, it's very nice. Saves a lot on the brake pads. So I'll show you up here on a steeper hill. We'll put it in low range, and this thing will just literally crawl down it. love the sound of the V-twins. I've always had, no matter what it was, Kawasaki or these Can-Ams, Bombardiers they used to be called. So I'm using my brakes now, but I'll put it in low range. We'll just give it a little gas, and look at this, no brakes. It's going down this hill, not super steep, but 3 miles an hour, not 2. It's quite the engine braking system. If you have a little weight in that box back there, it doesn't make that noise because it stays flat to the rack. But when it's empty, it kind of jiggles. It's nice. It's the Link system there, Link Q, however you pronounce it. But so I don't know. I'm guessing this thing's gonna run. I really haven't tried the top speed on this yet. I've been driving it around, but haven't actually give her all she's got, as far as like on a straight road. But the 500, I think you could get it up to 60. Maybe on a super long stretch you can get more than that, but it was working for it. So I'm guessing we should be able to get up into the 66 mile an hour range. Just a guess. We'll see. This thing just keeps going and going and going. It's amazing. So right there, I got like 51 out of it in the field, so we'll see what we can find. Alright, stop right here. A little bit of an uphill here. On the way back, it'll be down. So 0, 2, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 64, and it was still climbing. That was a little bit of an uphill incline, so pretty impressed by that so far. See what we can get going downhill here. There's 70. Wow. 71, 72, 72 miles an hour is what I get out of this thing. That's not GPS, but these are usually fairly close, so very impressive. Faster than I thought it was gonna be. There she is, the Outlander Max XT 650. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you want to see some of my other stuff I got on there. I'm always trying these things out. If you know, if you're thinking about buying them and just want to see somebody trying it out and giving their opinion. Alright, have a good one. Thanks.